Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the right front burner base on your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Lift off the right side grate. Remove the burner cap and use a 3/16" socket or nut driver to unthread the two mounting screws securing the base. Lift the old base straight up to remove. Install the new burner base by positioning it on the main top so the igniter aligns with the notch in the base. Thread the two mounting screws. Realign the burner cap and grate. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your gas range should be ready for use.